Alright guys, we're going to go through cosine today for your assignment. And the first thing I want to do is review sine. So sine of an angle is a ratio created by the opposite leg over the hypotenuse. And we can remember the anagram SOH, S-O-H, for sine, opposite, hypotenuse. So we're going to give some numbers to the legs of this right triangle, and then we'll name some of the points. So if we want to find the sine of angle B, we need to put the opposite leg over the hypotenuse. So here's our angle B, and we know that the opposite leg is 6, and our hypotenuse is 10. So let's create that ratio. 6 over 10. And then all we have to do is divide. Number on the outside is the number at the bottom of the fraction. So 6 divided by 10. We need to add some decimals because we always round a sine answer to the nearest thousandth. So we have 0.6 because 10 goes into 60 6 times. We do the rest of our math, and of course we're going to come up with 0. So our sine of angle B is 0.600. So that's a review of sine. Now let's go over cosine. That's in our assignment today. Cosine is found by creating a ratio of the adjacent leg over the hypotenuse, and we can remember the anagram CAH, C-A-H. So let's look at our numbers here. We want to find the cosine of angle B, and an adjacent leg, as you'll see here, is the one touching angle B. So it actually falls in line with angle B. Now you'll see this one falls in line with angle B as well, but it's the hypotenuse, so we can't use that one. So the adjacent leg is always going to be the one down here. So the cosine of angle B is created with a ratio of the adjacent leg over the hypotenuse. So our adjacent leg is of course 8, and our hypotenuse is of course 10. So now we're going to divide those. Oops. Well, you'll see where the answer is going to go. So we have 0.8, because 10 goes into 80, of course, 8 times. We're going to come up with 0, and 0.800 is our answer. Let me know if you have any questions about today's assignment. Good luck, guys.